Parts of the root. Observe the diagram carefully. The diagram shows different parts of the root and the longitudinal section of root apex showing its different zones. Observe carefully the diagram shown here. Two types of root systems exist among plants. They are the taproot system and the fibrous root system. Taproot system. In the taproot system, the root develops from the radicle of the embryo. It has a thick primary root and a number of secondary and tertiary roots. Bean and mango plant have taproot system. Fibrous root system. Fibrous root grows from the base of the stem. The primary root shrivels up. All roots are thin, slender, and almost equal in size. It shows the characteristics of monocotyledons. Grass and wheat plants have fibrous root system. Functions of root. Primary or main functions of root are fixation and anchorage, absorption of water and minerals from the soil, conduction of water and minerals to the stem. Secondary or special functions of the root are storage of food, for example, roots of carrot. Mechanical function. Roots give additional support to plants, for example, roots of banyan. Absorption of food, for example, parasitic roots of cuscuta. Roots help in photosynthesis, for example, assimilatory roots or trappa. Roots help in respiration, for example, respiratory roots of rhizophora. Roots help in nitrogen fixation, for example, nodulated roots of legumes. Modified functions of the root. Roots show functions such as storage of food, mechanical functions, and vital functions. Storage of food. True root and adventitious roots show the function of storage of food. Storage of food is adapted to accumulate large quantities of food. Some storage roots are even concerned with propagation. True or taproot are conical roots, fusiform roots, napiform roots, and tuberous roots. Adventitious roots attain shapes like tuberous, fasciculated, nodulose, moniliform, and annulated shapes. Mechanical functions. Adventitious roots show mechanical functions. Mechanical functions are adapted to give additional support to weak-stemmed plants or support large branches and trunks. Adventitious roots are of different types: climbing and clinging roots, stilt roots, prop roots, buttress roots, contractile roots, and floating roots. Vital functions. True or fibrous root and adventitious roots show certain vital functions. Vital functions are adapted for breathing, preparing or obtaining food, and propagation of the plant. True or fibrous roots may be nodulated or tuberculated roots and respiratory roots. Adventitious roots may be assimilatory roots, epiphytic roots, sucking roots, and leaf roots. Comparison of prop roots and stilt roots. Observe the diagrams carefully for the comparison of prop roots and stilt roots. The differences between prop roots and stilt roots are arranged in a tabular form. Prop roots. Prop roots are thick and they have pillar-like roots. They arise from the branches of large trees. They grow vertically downwards into the ground and provide support to the tree. Example of prop roots is banyan tree. Stilt roots. Stilt roots develop in plants having a weak fibrous root system. These aerial roots grow from the lower nodes of the stem. These roots grow obliquely downwards into the soil, like the ropes of a tent. Example of stilt roots are maize, sugarcane, screw pine, and bamboo.